Hi everyone, back here with another video. So in this video, I'll start to cover the racket-tailed parrots. So these guys are a genus of parrots that have never ever been kept in captivity and are not even fully known of in science at all. So the reason why they're called racket-tails is because they have a long set of feathers in the middle of the tail that at the end flare out and form a racket, like you'd use in squash or tennis or something like that. It's just a small little, like, triangular racket. So I will be covering all 10 of these members, and to start off with, I'll be starting off sorry, I had to double myself there, the blue-crowned racket-tail. So these birds are native to the Philippine Islands and are found in forests up to 1,750 meters above sea level. And apart from that, we don't really know anything about them. We guess that their wild diet is that they eat unripe bananas and fruit from the ficus and the Cebuyan, I really hope I'm saying that right, trees. Scientists have found nests in tree trunks and in tree limbs and are believed to colony breed in very large trees. And in these nests, they have only found old eggs or broken eggs. So we don't even know how many eggs these guys actually have. And it's hard to say, but these guys are on the decline, but they are more stable than one of the other members I'll be getting to in this video. So both the males and females look exactly the same. Both have a deep blue crown and nape, set on top of a green body with long green central tail rackets, tipped with blue. And then on the outer tail feathers, it is a blue color tipped with green. Tipped with green and black, with a grayish black beak. The next one we'll be talking about is the blue-headed racket-tail. So these guys are also native to the Philippines and are found in lowland forests. And we only know from a unfortunately passed away specimen that they found on the floor of the forest that they possibly eat nuts and fruits. Scientists have found nests, and they generally nest in large tree cavities, and they have about 1 to 2 eggs. Apart from that, we know nothing. These guys, once again, the males and females look exactly the same. However, the female has got less of a blue head. They both have got olive green bodies with a yellowish belly. And like I say, a blue head. Hence why they get their name, and that the female has less of a blue head. The central racket is green with a tinge of black on it. The outer tail feathers are greenish blue tipped with black, and that they actually have a bluish grey beak, and that they have a beautiful brown eyes. The next one is also native to the Philippines, and this is the blue-winged racket-tail. So yes, unfortunately, these guys are critically endangered and are decreasing quite at a rapid pace. These guys, there are only 500 mature individuals left in the wild, which is bad. It sucks because we barely know these birds already, and now we're about to lose one. So these guys are only found in a restricted range that is confined to the Sulu archipelago in the Philippines, in the lowland forest and mangrove areas. And they apparently feed on fruiting trees that are right at the top of the canopies. So yeah. So unlike the other two species, these guys are dimorphic. So the males and females you can tell apart, but barely. So the males have a pale blue forehead and crown with a red patch on their head. The primary feathers on their wings are blue. The racket is black tipped with blue. The middle feathers are green, and the outer tail feathers are green tipped with black, and that they also have a blue-grey beak, which is actually quite something because very few birds actually really have color on their beak, as far as I've seen. Well, apart from black, white, and like maybe orange or red. And then the females look exactly the same as the males, however, they do not have the red spot on top of their head. And then the next one is, and the last for this video, is the buru racketail. These guys are native to Buru, South Moluccas in Indonesia, and are found in elevations of at least 1,750 meters above sea level. Once again, all we know is that these birds actually nest in tree limbs and cavities and have up to 5 eggs. And we likely guess that their diet is fruit, flowers, berries, and seeds. And what we really know is these guys are actually seasonal nomads. So they move with the fruiting of the trees in the mountains. So they will shift with the season. So once again, these birds are dimorphic. The males have a blue-purple nape that goes down to the lower back, the mantle, and lesser wing coverts. The edge of the forewings are blue with a pale yellow inner webbing on the secondary feathers. The central tail feathers are green. The racket and the side feathers of the tail are green tipped with black, with grey beak, and they have beautiful dark brown eyes. So the females look almost the same, however, they don't have the purple back, nape, and mantle, with less purple on their nape and on their wing coverts. That's it. So that's it for this set of racketails. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.